my sweet little scientists. So if you were able to come to Gullet today, you should have gotten a bag with 3 Hershey's Kisses. If you did not come to Gullet today, hopefully Mom and Dad read the email from last week and they were able to get some Hershey's Kisses for our experiment today, okay? So you should also have this worksheet printed out. And let's go ahead and see what we are going to do with our Hershey's Kisses today. All right, so we're going to start with a problem. And I'm going to give you the problem, and then we're going to kind of go through the steps of the scientific method and figure out the answer to the question. So which method, mouth, a cup of water, or a cup of vinegar will help dissolve a Hershey's Kiss the fastest, and why? So that's the question that I'm asking you today. You have 3 Hershey's Kisses. 1 is going to go in your mouth. 1 is going to go in a cup of water. And then the 3rd one is going to go into a cup of vinegar. Don't start any of this yet. We're going to go through all the steps and then I'll send you off to do it. So the question I'm asking you is, which one do you think is going to dissolve or melt the Hershey's Kiss the fastest? Do you think if you put it in your mouth, in the water, or the vinegar, which one do you think is going to make it melt the fastest? Think about that, okay? Because we're going to come up with the next step with our hypothesis. And it starts it out for you. If we test a Hershey's Kiss in the 3 solvents, so we know mouth, water, or vinegar, then I think, which one do you think is going to dissolve the fastest? So I've got my sentence starter for you. I want you to go ahead and fill in your hypothesis. Do you think the water? Don't write all of them. Do you think your mouth? Or do you think the vinegar? And why did I just forget how to spell vinegar? Which one? So just write one. So here's our sentence. If we test a Hershey's Kiss in the 3 solvents, then I think, which one? Water, mouth, or vinegar, only writing one, will dissolve it the fastest, right? So you should have your hypothesis. Now remember, a hypothesis is just an educated guess. You don't have to be right, and it's okay if you are wrong, okay? Let's look at our steps. So remember, I'm going over everything, then you can go ahead and do it. So the first thing you're going to do in a minute is you're going to place a Hershey's Kiss in your mouth. But here's the thing, don't chew it. Don't twirl it around in your mouth. You're just going to put it in your mouth. You might need Mom or Dad to help you with this, or if you have a timer, you're going to do that, okay? That's the next step. I want you to time how long it takes for the Hershey's Kiss to melt, okay? Here it says, make an observation on your observation sheet. We don't need to do that, so cross this part out. But you are going to write down how fast it took to dissolve, okay? So see how it down here in your results, you're gonna write the time. Did it take a minute? Did it take 10 seconds? You're gonna write the time down here, okay? And then once the kiss has dissolved and you've recorded your time, let's put that, record time, then you're gonna clear that timer. You're gonna have your cup of water and your cup of vinegar. Don't make the water hot. Let's just make it room temperature, okay? So not super hot, not freezing cold, just room temperature. So just when you turn it on in the middle, that should be room temperature. You're going to drop them in at the same time. So 1 in the cup of water, 1 in the cup of vinegar, and you're going to observe, and you're going to watch on your watch or your timer, and you're going to see how long it takes for it to dissolve, for it to melt, okay? Then you're going to record it down here. Here it says cup of water, cup of vinegar. You're going to record, did it take a minute? Did it take 50 seconds? Did it take 2 hours? I hope not, okay? So then once you're all done with the experiment, this is your discussion post. So you're going to rewrite your hypothesis. Remember, that was what was up here. Now that you know the results of your experiment, was your hypothesis correct? Why or why not? Explain on the lines. Okay? So let's just do a quick refresher. You've got this worksheet here that tells you all the directions. I've told you the directions. This is the second time I'm going to tell you. So you should be good when I send you off in a minute. You have 3 Hershey's Kisses. Once we say goodbye, you are going to put the first one where? In your mouth. You're not going to chew it. You're just going to suck on it. Let it dissolve, and you're timing it. Okay? When it's melted and it's dissolved, it's gone away, that's when you can stop the time. And you're going to record it. Then you have 2 more Hershey's Kiss. 1 you're going to put in a cup of water. 1 you're going to put in a cup of vinegar. You can do it at the same time. 1, 2, 3, drop them in and time it. Okay? Record them. Then for your discussion post, you're going to rewrite your hypothesis. Remember, that's what you thought. Don't change it. Okay? And then you're going to answer this question. That is your discussion post. All right? Have so much fun. And I hope while you were doing this experiment, you were thinking of the creator of the Hershey's Kiss. Do you remember his name? Milton S. Hershey. All right, have so much fun with this experiment. I can't wait to see the results. I will talk to you later, my sweetie pies. Bye.